You can't have an epic home bar without some gin cocktails on the menu.
But Shay, I don't like gin.
Here's 3 flavored vodka cocktails to help you step up your mixology game. When you dream, what cocktail do you dream of? You're not doing your Bramble right if you're not doing it like this. 3/4 ounce simple syrup, lemon juice, 3/4 ounce, 2 ounces of gin, shake it up, a couple blackberries, muddled crushed ice, more crushed ice, blackberry float, lemon and blackberry garnish. Your Bramble. Cheers. Now, what cocktail do you think has come back the most in the 2000s? You said the Aviation. You're right, let's make it. 1.5 ounces gin. Just a 1/2 ounce of Luxardo maraschino liqueur. 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. And just 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. Just a bar spoon of creme de violette. Your Aviation. Have you ever wondered how some bartenders make $150, $200, even $250,000 a year bartending? You don't have to juggle bottles to do it. Flaired bartending can be as simple as a flip of a napkin, a high five, and a hug. You don't have to get crazy with a bunch of bottles to make extra money behind the bar. And don't take it from me. I brought some friends with me to show you 15 tricks that help them make $1,000 a shift.
Big Jim, $100 rail!